Smart-fina is accounting application that small medium company can use. So to go to the environment, you type Smart-fina from your browser, -fina.com/smart2/ to go to the application. From any browser it will go. The moment you press enter key, it will bring out a login section. This is the login section. For example, I want to log into the application. You come down here, you enter the business email. Like for that of the ambience, you type the ambience cafe 6@gmail. So that's the email for the ambience cafe company. Once you enter the email, the next thing to enter the username. Let me enter as admin. Then you type the password. The password position, you type it. Note, at the login section, you enter the email, you enter the password, you enter the admin. For security purpose, the software will allow you to enter your password twice before logging in. The first time it may tell you invalid, but it's not valid. You enter it for the second time, it will now log in. So the name of the URL is smart-fina.com/mart2. That's Smart-fina, Smart2. That's the URL. So please, once you enter the correct URL, it will give you in the login section. And once you give in the login section, you enter the email first, you type in the password, you type in the admin. Before you now click on log now. It will tell me invalid, but it's valid. So you see, it tell me invalid login, but it's valid. So I have to enter it for the second time to confirm to make sure that once I enter it for the second time, the moment I type login, it will go to the dashboard. So it has come to the dashboard. This is the application. You can see the menu. If you click on the menu, you see various options. These are menu. You have sub-menus. Under sub-menus, you have so many items, transaction. These are the items under transaction. Under report, these are the items under report. And under maintenance, these are the items under maintenance. So likewise, you have the supplies and purchases menu with various items under each of the menu. So we have the sales, we have supplies and purchases. Everything that pertains to supply and purchases is done under the supply and purchases menu. You have for the stock items. Anything that pertains to stocks, you do it here. Then anything that pertains to production, you do it under manufacturing. Productions of food, where movement of stocks can be done here. Movement of stock can be done here. Why fixed asset register, they register for the company. Why all that general ledger, the trial balance can be produced here. So what I'm going to do now is to navigate and shows how to generate a report first. Just especially sales reports. So you come down report. Under the report, I just want to generate sales report from this video. You scroll down here. You come down to customers and sales report. You click on it. So you click on the inventory. Under the inventory, you can see inventory sales reports. So from this environment, you can generate sales reports. You click on inventory sales reports. Anything pertaining to sales of the day can be generated from here, especially anything pertaining to sales of items in the stock. So which of which day you pick on the dates you want to generate. You can generate either monthly, weekly, daily, yearly. Any report can be generated. So let's generate report for on the 19th if you have it, or on the 15th. If it is on the 15th March that I want to generate, I pick on 15 here. Starting date is 15, then ending date is 15. Ending date is 15. So you can scroll down, scroll up. You generate. I generate. So report can either be generated in either PDF format. It's already in PDF format, or on Excel. So either you transfer your report into PDF or on Excel, but let's generate it on Excel to check whether we have items posted on the 15th of March. So it has been generated. That's how to generate reports. So I will come up with on my next video. Let me zoom it so that you can see what we have generated. So it's generated in categories. In categories, you can see the total. It's generated in categories. You can see restaurants, output from the restaurants, from the drinks, from the grill bar, from the smart bar. So that's how to generate. So my next video, I will come up with how to generate reports. Let me close it. How to generate reports from let me log out. How to generate reports, other reports, expenses reports. Thank you. It's something you can learn yourself. Something that you can learn yourself. It's not other too much. Thank you.